Have you ever wondered about the significance of Mahashivratri and the role of Maa Tamsa Gaushala in celebrating it? Well, allow me to illuminate you. Maha Shivaratri, the great night of Shiva, holds a special place in the Indian spiritual tradition. This day marks the moment when Shiva, the Adi Guru of yoga, achieved a state of perfect stillness and unity with the cosmos. Maa Tamsa Gaushala, a humble Gaushala located in the village of Tamauli block, Palhani, Azamgarh, Uttar Pradesh, India, has become a place of spiritual connection during this auspicious occasion. Maa Tamsa Gaushala, managed by the Anika Educational and Health Welfare Trust, stands as a beacon of sustainable and compassionate cow care. Home to over 90 cows, calves and oxen, this Gaushala has implemented a series of innovative and eco-friendly initiatives. These include water trenches that act as natural security barriers and sources of rainwater harvesting, multi-ponds that provide water for irrigation and support aquatic life, and music therapy sessions that help animals relax and heal from stress. The Gaushala also features a mesh fence for added security, water troughs for easy access to clean water, solar-powered lights for nighttime illumination, and comfortable huts for cow sivaks and visitors. Mahashivratri at Maa Tamsa Gaushala is a celebration of gratitude and spiritual connection. Visitors feed the cows, calves and oxen with a mix of chokar, jaggery, palak and kanda mixed with salt, expressing their joy and appreciation on this spiritual occasion. This Gaushala serves as a model of sustainable and compassionate cow care, embodying the spiritual and environmental values of Mahashivratri. During this special occasion, visitors are encouraged to show their gratitude and appreciation for the well-being of the cows. Rakesh Kumar Pandey, a psychologist and engineer who has worked extensively with farmers, the environment and animals, has voiced his gratitude to the visitors for their unwavering support and encouragement. Mahashivratri is a moment for reflection and connection, a reminder of the interconnectedness of all beings and the importance of compassion for all creatures. As we celebrate this spiritual occasion at Maa Tamsa Gaushala, we are reminded of the significance of sustainability, compassion and spiritual growth. This is the essence of Mahashivratri at Maa Tamsa Gaushala, a celebration of life, love and the eternal bond between man and nature.